All right, we're back in the kitchen and we're cooking up some high protein chicken tortellini. This is a new recipe we recently found. We just found these in Coles, high in protein, a lot lower in calories, and it's a great way to add some pasta back into your diet. So 4 ingredients, we've got our tortellini. Second up, we've got our veg. So we've got onion, zucchini, capsicum. We've got 200 grams of raw chicken. And to finish off with, we've got our Fodmapped red wine, tomato-based sauce. Let's get into it.
Okay, to start things off, we're gonna heat the pan up all the way to high, grabbing yourself some extra virgin olive oil and just doing a light spray. Now we're gonna go in with the chicken. So whilst this is cooking, you can add whatever spices you like. And once the chicken is all sealed, we're gonna add in our vegetables. At this point, this is where I'd add some more salt, pepper, and maybe some more spices. So now we're gonna turn this down to simmer and we'll put the lid on just to soften all the vegetables up before adding in the sauce.
Next step is to grab yourself a pot, fill it up with water, bring it to the boil. We're gonna chuck the tortellini in, cook it off, and then we're just gonna add it at the end. For our sauce, we've chosen to go with the Fodmapped red wine and Italian herbs. It's literally just tomato. There's a little bit of sugar and stuff in it, but in comparison to the canned options you can buy, this is so much better, so much lower in calories, and primarily organic produce. All right, from here, we're gonna chuck it in as soon as it comes to the boil. Only 3 minutes. You don't wanna overcook these bad boys because we're gonna chuck it in with the sauce afterwards. Once it's been cooked, just quickly drain the water and just let it quickly stand for about 10 to 20 seconds before we're chucking it back in. All right, and the final step is to just quickly chuck in the tortellini. We're just gonna stir it through and then it's just gonna be ready to serve from there.
And there we have it, guys, a cheeky, high protein tortellini.
With over 60 grams of protein, 650 calories with a sprinkle of parmesan, not a bad meal prep or dinner option. Give it a go.